All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about some performance numbers on the new GR86 and BRZ. Let's talk about that right now. All right, so we all know the previous generation was great handling vehicle. Man, the dynamics were fantastic. I praised its chassis so very much. And we all made apologies for that torque dip and the lack of power. We're like, it doesn't need more power. It's a driver's car. Don't worry about it. Meanwhile, people put superchargers on it or they ripped out the engine and put K20s in it because it did. It needed more power. I'm not saying it's turbocharged now, but let's look at these numbers. Caranddriver just posted the 0 to 60 in quarter mile time and faster than I thought it was going to be. 5.4 seconds, 0 to 60. I'm sorry. 228 horsepower gets you 0 to 60 in 5.4? No, that's an underrated engine since it's putting down 209 wheel horsepower on a DynoJet dyno. No, there's no way the powertrain that's efficient. This thing makes more than 228 horsepower. They are lying to us in a very wonderful way. So thank you, Toyota. Thank you, Subaru, for making this go 0 to 60 in 5.4 seconds. Quarter mile is under 14 now. It's a 13.9 car. This is a quick car now. Now, it's not blazingly fast. No, this is a quick car. It is no longer slow. You don't have to apologize being like, I bought it because it's the handling. Yeah, you still bought it because the handling, but look, it actually has good performance to back up the looks. And if you do an intake for sound, I know it's not going to give a lot of horsepower, a header and a tune, you're probably down to maybe 5.2, 5.1. Those are respectable times. Quarter mile, maybe down to 13.6. Naturally aspirated track weapon. I mean, come on now. This is going to be an amazing track vehicle. We all know this. And just a great driver's car, as it always has been. Just, I don't like the sound generator. Come on, Toyota. Come on, Subaru. Make it to where I can turn off that little sound generator in there. I don't like that. But what do you guys think of these numbers? I'm a big fan. Anyways, thank you for watching. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.